target is 30 million, and yet it says they're on 1.3 billion. Probably been a bug on the site. Obviously that's surpassing the limit quite a lot, pretty reaching. You can see the guy saying that let's act like this didn't happen, it's just a sort of mistake or something like that. For them to have 1.3 billion in the space of a couple of days is obviously pretty mad. Rather than being on the water, this person's actually gonna help the water become cleaner instead. Pretty smart play. It shows that everyone's willing to get involved and do their part where they can. When a big fundraiser like this happens, a lot of people cast their attention, which is obviously a good thing, helping the environment. 69, the classic. Obviously we saw before a number that far exceeded the 30 million limit. Here we have actually a more reasonable number. This guy probably took a screenshot when it hit the number. You can see that this guy has some next dedication. He wakes up nice and early, drives all the way to promote the fundraiser. That shows that this guy is really willing to do whatever it takes to promote this fundraiser. Quite a nice thing to do. The fact that he's going out of his way to do things like that, beautiful to see. He already contributed to the previous fundraiser 2 years ago, and now for this one he's about to do the same thing, similar event but just slightly different. Once again you can see someone who's really willing to do anything he can, trying to incentivize people to donate to the fundraiser. It's kind of cool to see all these people go to such like great lengths. It shows when people like contribute, they can actually make like a big impact. So this guy says he supports the fundraiser but he doesn't really get the ads. For me it makes sense. Obviously you want to promote the fundraiser as much as you can so that more people know about it. The more people that know about it, the more people that are gonna probably donate to it, which is obviously a good thing. vidIQ isn't meant to have ads, but if they're promoting something that's like good like this, then it does make sense. If they're just promoting some random like scammy thing that's kind of dodgy, then obviously that's a different matter. When massive clear outs are going on, that makes you want to go and see what's actually happening, you know. I can't lie, I haven't really played Roblox in time. When I did play, I remember it was pretty decent. I wouldn't describe it as a trash game, but obviously here this guy's saying gotta help clean up the trash, clear out the ocean, and he's describing Roblox as that trash. Obviously it's not real, but when you put in a donation that is that big, it probably is going to break the site. I guess maybe they coded some plugin to make the actual donation or the amount of pounds they're removing look way bigger than it actually is. Imagine if it actually was 1.3 billion though, that would actually be insane. Some billionaire just donated. I assume this screenshot was taken just when the fundraiser was announced. At that point the really like big boy donations didn't come through yet. So at that time that guy managed to get his way into that top 10 spot, but he kind of knew soon enough when the even bigger donations would come, then he'd just get overtaken. Because of the Teamseas initiative, the trash is just disappearing into the air, almost like a Thanos snap. First the trash is there, then the snap happens and it's just gone. It just goes to show when a fundraiser like this occurs, it just gets everyone to contribute.